All right, hey there, techies. Welcome back to the prevention test here.
Yay!
Users here as well. All right, so we got everything enabled. Everything's been up to date, as you saw in the previous video. And so we'll close this out, and let's take a look. I forgot to show you guys last time. I always forget to show you this in the configuration portion. I don't know why. But Avast right here is only using 40 megabytes of RAM. That's it.
That's it.
And they only have one process. Now, maybe I'm missing another one, but user look too. I don't see any other processes here. I just see the one process. That's it.
Oh, hold up, what's that one?
What one?
Right below it.
SVC host?
Yeah. Never mind.
That's Windows.
Never
Yeah.
mind.
All right, so that's amazing, the fact that it's one process like that. All right, so we got Avast enabled. We got a VPN online.
We do.
You know what that means?
It means we're going to start screwing this computer up.
Well, that's not...
See, it's already starting.
Actually, I think that I think that's just the VPN thing, or not? No, that's the virtual machine thing that's going on. For some reason, that happens periodically, and this is the site that takes forever to load.
Clearly.
That I should.
There it is.
I know. It's just like, and it's that's the VPN right there. But sometimes the internet doesn't connect always on here. It's a virtual machine thing. Anyways, all right. You want to drive?
I do.
All right, you drive.
Alrighty.
Oh,
blocked.
Threat has been detected.
Ooh, and it talks to you.
You know you can get pirate sounds for it.
For this?
Yeah.
You can get pirate sounds?
Yeah.
Where?
Online. We'll do that after.
Okay.
We'll make a separate area. So there you go, guys. Watch an extended bonus video. We'll play around with the pirate sounds of
Are you gonna
Avast.
mark it?
What?
Are you going to mark it?
Yeah, sure. Sorry, I got the time.
No.
What?
No, that it was blocked. You know, where you do the thing with...
Yeah, that's what I was gonna just do right now.
Oh. Okay.
Now that
God, you are all over the place.
we'll have to edit that out.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Who's on top of their game here, me or you?
I'm telling you, man. I am tired. I know you wanted to do one real bad tonight, but
Yeah, because I had a night off for once.
yeah, I know. That's why I said we got to do one. Oh man, Lord. All right, just get the next.
All right,
one.
we're going to go to the next one.
All right, I'm gonna take a nap. User's just gonna do this right now.
That'd be interesting.
Oh.
It'd be a nightmare. It'd be a train wreck.
So your computer may be broken.
It may be on fire right now. What?
All right, that one looks like it's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, and avoid that one right there because it looks like I think. Oh no, you clicked that one. Never mind.
Click this one. Yeah.
Yeah, avoid the JavaScript that you just clicked on
Oops.
because that's not gonna work. I don't have Java installed on here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, let's...
Do
How the
it
hell do you know if it's Java?
because it says JS. It stands for JavaScript.
Oh, I don't read that.
Well, that's your problem.
Well, I don't. I
that
was
one's
always
dead,
told
too.
to click on the link. Oh my God, all these suck. Let's go down.
All right. Oh.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. Oh.
Scroll down over there. Okay, now click run. I want to see if it runs. Uh-oh.
Doo-doo-doo.
Civic. Is this from Honda? Oh, that one looks like it's detected.
Oh, English?
5 out of 55, so this is considered malware to some people. And most likely this is probably adware seeing that detection right there. Yeah, Video Converter Max, go ahead and install it. I mean, it's probably going to, unless it wants to download a whole bunch of crap.
I accept.
All right. Yep, just keep going. Go. Yeah, next. And no.
No?
Well, that's the adware right there.
So no.
Yeah, just decline it. Because I don't want to install any more than I have to. We'll see if this is actually malware. Okay, no, we don't want to restart. Okay. All right. So that one was over here. And I'm going to put as that one was missed. All right, next. Alien Thriller Deluxe. I think they meant thriller, but they did say. Either way, this is probably something interesting. Okay, what do we got going over here?
Oh.
Okay, I understand. Because this is Windows, we aren't testing. No, you click don't run. Oh.
Ah, shit. Shit.
Click it again.
Oh, God, was it this one?
No, it was the bottom one.
It was this
that one, yep.
Okay. Damn it.
Do you read?
No, clearly.
We need to get you like hooked on phonics or something.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, now this time
I
understand.
understand.
Run anyway. See, Microsoft got you there. Aliens for
Do-do-do.
Oh, this doesn't look good. This looks like more adware. I think we're gonna go to something different, because this just looks like a bunch of adware here.
Yeah.
Just close out of that. We're not gonna install another one, or
Oh,
just.
Well, why not? It's fun.
Oh, well, then fine, install it.
It might be good games.
No.
Oh, that's not Breakon. That quick launch. Oh no. And it goes quick. See, look at that. Now we can game.
No, don't want to launch it. Oh,
Ah, shit.
oh, it's Russian. What do you?
This gotta be good.
Oh,
I don't even know what this is doing.
I don't. Well, what do we got in the background here? Scroll down over here. We got. Okay, so yeah, it is running, but it's not detected as malware. At least, well, the one's not even submitted to virus. Yes, thank you. Please uncheck that. Okay, close out of this. Oh, we can't. Oh, crap. Okay, just move on. We're just gonna let it go and do its thing in the background. I don't know what you did.
I think it's done now. Oh, yes, here we go.
Oh, finally.
You need the August 2000. Oh, did
No,
we do it?
click
No?
cancel. Just
Okay.
end it right now. We're ending this. We're
Okay.
ending this. Okay, click.
Oh,
I guess we're not ending this.
here we go. Where are we going now?
Falco soft.
Crosswalk.
All right, close out of
Oh,
this.
these sound like fun games.
Well, then you could open up a channel called Fun Games. I don't, whatever. I don't even know what you want to call it. Yeah, no, just did you?
What?
Just randomly clicking on things. That's a virus downloader, by the way.
So is that good?
Yeah.
See, so I'm helping.
Okay.
Doo-doo-doo. I think every time you text me, that's what it needs to be. It needs to be that sound.
Well, I can make it that way. All right, so this one looks like it probably just didn't work. All right, let's go ahead and click on this one right here. This link.
This one?
Yep, that one.
Oh, crap. It's... Oh, I blocked
Been
it.
detected.
There you go. Do number 3, and we'll say it's blocked. Actually, no, we did number 3 and number 4. Yep, they were missed. Okay. Oh, shoot. There we go. Okay, so then we're going to go number 5 was blocked. Okay, let's go ahead and now let's go to, we'll go to malcode now because this is just turning out to be a cluster. You're over here still, by the way.
Oh, there it is.
You're on my other screen.
I know, I'm looking
Okay,
all
go
over.
to, here, I'll get you there. Oh no, we can close that out. That's just going to take up resources.
Oh.
And apparently Avast says I don't have.
Oh, my mistake.
Oh no, we want to go to VX Vault first. I'm going to go there. Okay. Maybe.
Yes.
Alright, close out of that. Okay, I'm going to just kind of go through some of these here. Speed it up, and if anything pops up, I'll let you take over again. These are the ones that I have to copy and paste.
Oh, it blocked it.
Woo! Okay, so that one was blocked. Number 7. Number 7. And this was all released today, guys. So now this is more in VX Vault has more in the way of intense malware. They have the viruses, the Trojans, things like that. So that's most likely where Avast is probably going to excel.
Threat has been detected.
And you can see right there, blocked another one. 8. So we'll go on to the next one here. 777.exe. Oops, no, I don't want to go there. There we go.
And oh, it
Threat
blocked
has
it.
been detected.
These are all from today, by the way.
Threat has been
Oh, it
detected.
blocked another one.
Probably was it's probably the website it blocked first,
Oh.
or a partial download it blocked. I see what it did. Okay. So this may be an infected PDF. We'll see. Yep.
Threat
So that
has
was an
been
infected PDF or a. Actually, no, never mind. It was a zip file disguised as a PDF via the URL.
Oh.
So that was a phishing one right there. That's how sneaky these guys are. All right, so then let's try this one right here. This will be number 10. So far it looks like Avast has excelled in the more intense malware.
Nothing. Missed.
Yeah. So we'll go to
Okay.
malcode now because that's it for today.
Oh.
That's as much as you can see right here, 7, and this is the same one. So then we go to yesterday. So we'll go to malcode and see what they can do. Like I said, malcode always seems to have more adware.
Ooh.
Okay, this one actually is detected by 15 of 56 vendors. I mean, this is most likely some sort of malware. So we'll click agree and scan. Now we don't want that, but we're going to install the PC mechanic. So this is number 10, guys, and unfortunately it looks like it was missed.
Yep.
There is nothing, and you can see it's running right here in memory, and then it is completely installing. No issues, nothing from Avast. So we're going to say it's a miss, but hopefully Avast will find something and remove it.
Hopefully.
We will see. So, all right, let's go ahead and close that out. Well, this is doing that. What we're going to do now is we're going to extract the malware. So this is doing its thing. Okay, so that's just kind of scanning things and see, this is where it's going to be a nuisance because it won't let you close unless you go down there.
Or unless you buy it.
Yeah, oh, you have to buy it, yes. And it actually did close, it looks like.
Oh.
So that's nice. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to disable the Avast shields here temporarily. So we'll do it for an hour. So there we go. So Avast should be stopped. We're going to go ahead and extract our malware, see how much we have.
Woo!
Hopefully Avast will scan it quite quickly. Okay. What do we have today?
We have
395 files.
all right.
395 pieces of malware. At least it's not the 3,000 we had that one time.
Yeah, that was ridiculous.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scan that with Avast. And once it finds, you can see it's already finding infected items and mapping them. It's going quite quickly, actually. We're already at 62, 69. And that's it.
Scan has been completed.
Threat detected.
Yep.
Show results.
Okay, so here's what and I just remember this, guys, when I was during the video here. You can't automatically select the default action, from what I understand. Actually, you might be able to, but we can do it within here anyway, so which is why I didn't even bother trying to find it earlier.
Oh, okay.
The default action for the on-demand scanner, because you can always change it within here. And apply actions, action for all is right here. We're going to click delete so we can get rid of them all. As you can see, we have some pretty interesting and pretty significant pieces of malware here. So we're going to delete all of them, apply. It should go through, apply all the actions, and then we'll see what we're left with. Okay, so it looks like it's already done removing everything. That was extremely fast.
Yeah.
And no threats are found. So it appears that it did everything. We'll go ahead and re-enable Avast Shields just to ensure that we have the cloud scanner as well scanning this folder. And you can see no threats detected still. So we have remaining 2 files.
Wow.
2 files.
That's pretty crazy.
That is really good.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Normally we only get something where there's like 100 left.
And keep in mind, guys, that was malware from today. Now there was a pack of older malware in there too, but there was also that was only 48 hours old.
Yeah.
And we were left with 2 samples.
Wow.
So that's generally a really good detection rate. And granted, it is malware from a well-known source. It still is really good. So let's go ahead. You want to run the 2 samples, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so that one looks like it is running.
Oh,
All right.
Suspicious item has been detected.
All right, and it blocked it. So that's good. That's awesome. That's what we want to see.
and it's gone.
Yep. So what it did is the heuristics, the program analyzed it. Same thing with that one too.
Suspicious
It
item
analyzed
has
it
been
and it said, "Hey,
detected.
this looks malicious," and it blocked it.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's it.
So there's nothing left.
Nothing left. So it detected 99% of the malware,
Wow. Bravo.
and then it blocked the 2 that it didn't detect
That's
via behavioral
like-
detection.
Awesome.
Yep.
That's like impressive.
Mm-hmm. Avast has really come a long way. I
Yeah.
used to actually use Avast back when antivirus was significant enough to where you could actually keep up just signature-wise.
Yeah.
And then I went to Komodo because they offered the sandbox, and they offered that for free and the default deny architecture. Now, Avast is really moving towards that point.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, to get the sandbox, you still have to pay for it.
Of course.
Which is really kind of why I stuck with Komodo, because they really
It's all
offer a
free.
little
It's like,
bit
here you
more.
go.
But overall, Avast, because they
Wow,
have
that
a
was-
lot better usability than Komodo, I would highly recommend it as of right now.
I would.
I think that they've significantly improved over last year when I tested them.
Yeah.
I mean, last year they were still really good, but they've definitely significantly improved. Now, before we start, boasting about how good Avast is here, let's go ahead and see if it can find, let's run a smart scan, see if it can find anything else on this system. We still have our folder of malware, but it's empty. We don't need to delete that. I will go ahead and delete this folder so it doesn't detect that. And then once this scan is complete, I'll also show you guys the Norton Power Racer results as well as Hitman Pro. Maybe we'll even run Malwarebytes just to see what's on here. Seeing it does such a good job to try and find any malware possible on this system. So, all right, well, once these scans are complete, we'll be back with a final verdict.
Woo! Yarr! That's the sound a pirate makes.
Yes, that is the sound a pirate makes. All right, guys, so the scan has finished, and it looks like they found some issues. However, none of them are viruses, just a performance issue, so nothing to be worried about right there. Now, let's take a look at Norton Power Racer. Norton didn't find anything. Nothing. So, it looks pretty good, huh? Close that out. Let's take a look, though, at Hitman Pro. Hitman Pro is a little bit different. Now, this might seem bad to you, right?
Yeah, it looks bad.
Because you see malware and stuff like that. It actually isn't that bad.
Really?
Now, reason being is, do you recognize these titles at all? And
Yes.
That's the one that
Because
you
that's
screwed
not-
up on downloading. Yep.
Yes.
Okay, these are in the downloads folder. These aren't actually running on the system. They're just in the folder. And they are considered malware, but they're most likely considered some sort of adware. Let's see if we can, not a virus downloader bundle. Okay, yeah. So basically, it's just a form of adware.
Okay.
And it is not detected by Avast, but that's always kind of been Avast's Achilles heel.
Yeah.
And a lot of anti-malware applications cannot detect adware. So overall, it's not a huge deal at all. This was in the temp folder. It's riskware, so that's a form of adware. Not a big deal once again. And that's it. I mean, you got this one down here too, and that's just within the, and that's not even running because that's in the downloads folder. So that's not a big problem. So far, this system, well, it does have malware on it, is not infected, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
And then we just got the tracking cookies and crap like that, whatever. All right, let's take a look at Malwarebytes. What does Malwarebytes find? Much of the same thing. If you look through here, not a lot of this is, in the sense, malware. Now, we do have something right here. If you take a look, let me expand it. This right here, the free games that you downloaded earlier that you were all excited about.
Yeah.
Yeah, there they are in program files.
Oh.
That Alien Thriller Deluxe, it is considered a potentially unwanted program.
But I want it.
Well, Malwarebytes doesn't want it.
Well, I don't give a shit what Malwarebytes wants. I want it, damn it.
So essentially, Malwarebytes is going to remove that, or at least recommend removing it in this sense. Now, the one piece of malware here that, if we sort by category, that is a serious piece of malware because it's Trojan injector. It's going to essentially try to inject malware into a legitimate process of Windows, in a sense, making that process look fine to you and I, when it actually is doing malicious things to your system. Could be capturing keystrokes, could be gathering data on the system, such as bank account numbers, passwords, things like that. That's essentially bad. However, if you look at the directory or the location of where it is, it's in the downloads folder once again.
So it's not actually running because it's still in the download folder.
Yep, and we can also see that it says partial, meaning that it was a partial download.
Okay.
If we want to confirm that it's not running, we already did it once before, but we can do it again. Open up Process Explorer or Task Manager, and we'll see that nothing is running in there. Let's go through this while that's loading here quick. As you can see, a couple more potential unwanted programs. That PC mechanic right here has been detected as potential unwanted. Adware, obviously. So the system does have adware on it. However, no intense malware in the sense of viruses, Trojans, things that could compromise your security and personal life in that sense. So this system is safe, but not secure, if that kind of makes sense. There's adware on here, and adware is a form of malware.
Yeah.
I should word that differently. It's safe, but not clean.
Okay.
So that's better to word it. So there's adware on here, but there's no viruses or anything that you'd have to really worry about. And as you can see right here, we do have everything right here is legit. Now I can't contact the server because sometimes it does this on the virtual machine. I don't know exactly why yet. But essentially these are all legitimate processes here from what I can see running in the background here. And that is and that's how you can tell if a program's running or not, is
Yeah.
look in your task manager and see, is that same name in there?
Matching.
If that is matching, then that program is running, and then you have a security risk. So,
Okay.
whoa. All right, with that said, I'll do a removal test later, guys, so don't worry. Well, we're going to have a removal test, but unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do one tonight, just because the fact that time is kind of shrinking down.
Because it's almost 8 o'clock.
Exactly. So,
He's been up since 2 a.m. or something stupid.
yes.
About
Yeah.
like 6.
Not all of us get to sleep until 10 o'clock in the morning there, Princess.
I didn't sleep till 10 yet, Jack. I slept till 8:30.
And I'm sure everyone on here is thinking, 8:30?
Oh my god, I wish I could do that.
Yeah,
When you
exactly.
work second shift and you own a business, you can do that.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so final verdict of Avast for the prevention tests. Prevention abilities of Avast. What do you think?
I was pretty impressed with it.
I would concur with that statement. I think it did a phenomenal job.
Because normally these sometimes free ones that we've done are just, it's garbage.
Mm-hmm.
And it shows. And this, wow, I'm like blown out of the water.
Exactly. I mean, we've tested AVG in the past, and granted,
Yeah.
their new version, I believe, has been released.
Okay.
So we can do the 2016 if you want. But yeah, AVG is one of the other well-known free ones, and this completely, from according to comparing it to last year's, this blows it out of the water.
Yeah.
No question about it. So I would be able to recommend this program,
I would.
especially to somebody who is a novice and is essentially a user, because
Me.
what did you think about the usability of it? I mean, installation-wise?
Easy. It's
Easy.
easy enough to navigate too. Like some of them are so, the features are so hidden, and here it is, right there.
The features you need are right out in
Yeah.
front of you. You got your
Well,
scan button, and it updates automatically. I would like to see an update button, I think, within this interface up here. I think that it would be nice to just stick an update button right there.
Yep.
Something that can do the program and do the definitions, just check for everything. Just for a user, instead of having to go into the settings here and then go to update and then go to here. Now, there might be a feature where we can right-click on it. Yeah, there's an update down there.
Yeah, but a lot of people don't do that.
But that's that hidden feature again. You aren't going to know to right-click on it and get that context menu and then go to engine and definitions or program. You're going to look at both those and be like, well, what's the difference? I just want to update.
Yep.
So, maybe get a one-click button that'll do everything. Program and definitions.
And it's just done.
And it's done. So, or prompt or check for updates before you scan. Now, I didn't see if it did it. Let's run another smart scan. So yeah, it didn't, according to this criteria right here, it did not check for updates before it's scanned.
Nope.
So that might be a nice thing to do too if you want to start a manual scan if someone thinks they're infected, to prompt that or have the program check for updates before it starts to scan. So,
Yeah.
but it does use a cloud. It does use a cloud-based scanner too. So
Okay.
that's probably why they don't have you check for updates, because it's realistically not necessary unless you're not connected to the internet. Then you got that whole issue of
Yep.
not being able to access that cloud database. So then you need that signature database. All right, I think that's it. I think we covered everything.
Yeah.
I mean, it was more of a laxed review.
Yeah.
Definitely more of a casual one. So you guys let us know if you like that or not. And a lot of you seem to really like the casual reviews. And that's really what Techie versus User is supposed to be. So
It is.
I just love how you just at the end.
It is.
Yep.
It's casual.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say.
But I'm just going to keep nodding my head and saying,
Yeah.
yep, I understand what he's saying.
But I don't.
But yeah, I have no idea, right?
No.
All right. That's it for me, guys. Is that
Yeah.
it for you? That's it
For
for
now.
User for
Yeah.
now.
Hopefully we'll get something out.
Hopefully we can get a fake tech support coming out soon. I know I got some numbers stored up, so we'll have to give those guys a
It's a matter
call.
of time and schedules.
Well, I mean, Avast said my computer's running slow, so maybe we should,
Yeah. Give them a call.
give them a call, and
Oh, that'd be fun.
that would be. I think we got ourselves a scenario here, guys.
I think so.
I think we do. All right, well, I'm not going to keep yimmer-yammering here. Ending it now, so see you guys in the next review.
Bye.